Hi, my name is Krista Reeves. I am a faculty at the Physical Therapist Assistant Program here at Chippewa Valley Technical College. Right now we are all getting back to our summer sporting activities, at least in our minds. One of the most common summer activities that we like to enjoy in Wisconsin is golfing. So what I am about to show you is different exercises to help prepare your body to go back to your summer golfing sports. The first one that we're going to start with is for your hip external rotation. Heather is going to cross one ankle over her knee, and then she is going to loop her hands underneath her bent knee. There you go. And then just gently pull your knee up to your chest until you feel a stretch. Now you should be feeling a stretch in your bottom area. Right. When you're stretching should not be painful. This is not a no pain, no gain situation. You want to stretch until you feel a strong stretch, but comfortable. She's going to want to hold this stretch for 30 seconds and do 3 different repetitions of it. So now you're going to bring it back down and cross the ankle over the other knee, and then loop down. Good. And again, she's going to hold the same thing 30 seconds 3 times. If you're doing this at home, hold it for the length of a commercial. That's what we normally tell our patients. All right, go ahead and bring that down. All right, the next stretch that we're going to do is for that inward rotation now. So Heather is going to take her one leg and put it out straight. Good. And then you're going to reach with your opposite hand with this knee, and you're just going to kind of hook your heel over your knee and then pull this across your body until you feel that stretch. And she should be feeling this along the outside of her hip again. If there's any pinching on the inside of the hip, back off of that stretch. You don't want any pinching. All stretches should be held for 30 seconds and do 3 on each side. For this next exercise, you're going to pretend like you're pulling your belly button back towards your spine, and you're going to kind of tighten up those muscles. At the same time you're doing that, with your hands down by your side, you're going to lift your hips off the table into a solid bridge. Good. Your goal with this one is to get a nice straight line while maintaining that tummy hold. And then go ahead and come back down nice and slow. Anytime you do a strengthening exercise, your goal is to get 10 repetitions of quality work, 2 to 3 sets of that. The key is quality though. If you can do 5 with quality, that's what you do. If you want to learn more about the Physical Therapist Assistant Program at Chippewa Valley Technical College, check out our website at cvtc.edu.